Hey viewers, so we have this algebraic question on the board. The first thing we need to do is to label or name the algebraic expression. Like we need to name each half of it. That will ease our work. That will make it easier for us to solve the question. All right, so let's do that. Here is the question. We have this question. So, like I said, we can name each half of the expression. That way, ease our work. So, naming each half of the expression, we have this. We can name this to be x. We can name this to be y. Okay, good. So, doing that, we can now solve each of the half of the expression. So, since we know x to be equals to a squared plus b squared, the next thing we need to do is to expand and multiply the expression for the first half. So let's do that. Expanding this, we have a squared plus b, a squared plus b. So we are going to be multiplying using a squared to multiply everything in this bracket. Using that, we have a raised to the power 4 plus a squared b. This multiply this plus a squared b. This multiply this plus b squared. Good. So we have a raised to the power 4. We add this up. We have plus 2a squared b plus b squared. So here is the first half of the expression. That's for x. Then for the other half of the expression, which is y equals to a squared minus b all squared. The same thing we did here. That's the same thing we're going to be doing again. We expand and multiply. So let's do that. Expanding this, we have a squared minus b, a squared minus b. We use this to multiply everything here. We have a raised to the power 4 minus a squared b. Use this to multiply everything here. Minus a squared b plus b squared. So we have a raised to the power 4 minus a squared b minus a squared b gives us minus 2a squared b plus b squared. So here is the other half of the expression. So the next thing to do now is to subtract y from x. That is, we are going to be subtracting x minus y now, okay? So for x, we have a raised to the power 4 plus 2a squared b plus b squared minus, for y, we have a raised to the power 4 minus 2a squared b plus b squared. So let's open the brackets now, okay? So we have a raised to the power 4 plus 2a squared b plus b squared. We use this minus to multiply everything in this bracket. So when we do that, we have minus a raised to the power 4. This times minus this gives plus 2a squared b. This times this gives minus b squared. Good. So negative and positive we cancel out. A raised to the power 4 cancel out this. Minus a raised to the power 4 plus b squared cancelled out minus b squared. So we have this and this, which is 2a squared b plus 2a squared b. 2 plus 2 is 4a squared b. And that's the solution to the expression. Thank you.